this video I'm going to show you a review come eyeshadow look. They are so good. I'm going to see the swatch. If you're willing to see the review and also the eye look I get with these eyeshadows, then just keep on watching. First of all, I just finished just priming my eyelids and also the lower eyelids. And this is kind of peachy shade with some gold like shimmer, little bit of shimmer, not chunky glitter. I sadly lost the clip, so I'm doing it again. Don't put more effort on this because they are already quite pigmented. So I'm done with it, and so yeah, let's go on with some dramatic. So let's go on with some dramatic shade, and I'm obviously using this blue one because I just love this. So I'm applying it on the outer corners first, and then I'm going to blend it in. On the crease once again, I'm going to use this same peach shade and really bringing out the transition once again. Now it's time to add some color on the lower eyelids, and for that I'm using my favorite blue shade. The very outer part I'm using the black shade. I'm just making the blue part a little bit more bright. So if you don't like so much dramatic eyeshadows, you can like cut that outer V part and just like use it inside your natural eyelids, you know. And I just created a dramatic look because I wanted to create something like that. And now it's time for the eyeliner. So the eyeliner is done, and now golden shade. So yeah, I'm done with the eyeshadow, eyeliner and mascara, and I like what it looks like, and I'm going to probably change the highlighter part because it doesn't look so nice. So guys, I've done the look, and this is it. I have applied a matte lipstick, a nude shade, and this is how it looks, and I like how it came out, and I hope you liked it too. So if you liked the video, then please give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel, and you may comment below and we'll have a chat. So thank you guys, bye.
So guys, here's the end. Hope you liked the video. Visit Femica.com now. Check out all clean and safe products and dive into the world of clean beauty. Thanks for watching the video.